recording?
Yep. What the? What? No, it's the storm. Well, if the power goes out, if the government of the, because that means it is the whole population. And we're not going to lose power at Mom's?
I hope not, buddy.
Yeah, probably the Wayne kept saying stupid on the daycare road.
What?
Yeah, the Wayne kept saying stupid on the other road.
Oh.
Are we getting McDonald's?
What do you think?
Are we getting McDonald's?
What do you think?
I want two French fries and the chicken nuggets and a root beer.
Okay.
I just want McDonald's. I want McDonald's.
Promise. Did anybody tell you you're not getting McDonald's?
No.
Well, what are you saying it over and over and over for?
I won't.
The next time you does that, you're not getting McDonald's.
I don't care that.
I don't like that.
Oh
I
my.
think it's a way that you can get your own way. Just continually say something over and over and over, and then you'll get it. No.
Oh. Bob. What the hell is wrong with me? Oh my God, I want McDonald's.
Yes, I'm getting you McDonald's this evening, Thomas. But I don't want to hear you anymore doing that anymore again.
Dad.
The next time you does it, I'm not getting you McDonald's. And it's going to be as simple as that.
Hey, Dad. The Wayne kept acting like stupid.
Did it?
Yeah, I know. The Wayne kept that. Yeah, the Wayne kept saying stupid on the other road. Bobby, what are you doing? Bobby, why are you connected? Oh my God. Don't do that. No. Dad, the Wayne is coming everywhere.
Is it? I know.
Hi, Derek, yeah, for you.
Could I get an extra large double?
An extra large double?
Yeah. And could I get a 12-grain bagel?
1 second there, just gotta make sure we have it.
Whoa.
12-grain bagel.
Yeah. Could I get that toasted with butter, cheddar cheese, and bacon?
12-grain toasted with
Dad?
butter, cheese, and bacon.
Yep.
Guy. Dad,
Okay.
you want to get yourself what? Because
else?
it's windy.
I noticed everything.
It's windy really hard
75, go
now.
ahead, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you see that, Dad? That was a big win on that was the big win, and you stay away from the big win.
Stay away from the big wind.
Yeah.
Yeah, did
Because-
Daddy do good?
Yeah, because the swing was trying to make the blow in the wind.
Oh, I
Oh,
see.
what's going on? Oh no, Dad. It's a heavy rain in the back.
Heavy rain in the back?
Car won't get upside down?
It's gonna go upside down.
No, it's not.
Oh no!
No, it's not going upside
Oh,
down.
no.
It's not going upside down.
It's not, Thomas. Don't worry, buddy.
Whoa, what just
Look.
happened?
Look at the rain. The rain blew off the road. I tell you, it's gonna be some windy walking into your mommy's house.
Yeah, I'm not gonna blow in the wind.
Do I?
I'm not gonna blow away.
I don't know. Let's find out, buddy.
Well, I'm not gonna have to blow away. Well, I don't want to blow away.
Okay.
There might be another one. You keep that one.
I don't know what's wrong with that wind, Dad.
It's really windy. That's what's wrong.
I'm not blowing away in the wind.
No.
Oh my God, Dad, what just happened? Oh no, look at the bad window. The window is crying. Oh my God. Oh,
Thanks, man.
I'm going back to Mom's.
Yeah, you go back to mom. Now, we'll go get you McDonald's. What McDonald's did you want to go get?
Topsail one.
Topsail?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Daddy's going to need his phone back before we get to McDonald's so I can collect your points.
Okay.
Okay? Then you can get your points so you can get your free McDonald's eventually someday.
Oh, yeah, I know it's about wind, Dad. Oh no, my window's even crying too, Dad.
Is it?
Yeah, it won't. Yeah, your front window won't stop it crying.
No, it won't.
I told you a million times in a row. because it was a heavy. Oh my god,
What?
maybe it will get heavier now. Because if you're running your car, let me see.
Rain.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh, that's why it's gonna got bad out, Dad.
What?
The trees are fighting for the win, so that's why it was windy yesterday.
Yeah.
It was Thursday yesterday. The wind picked up while we were asleep.
Oh, did it? While you were asleep?
Yeah.
And now it's raining with it.
Now it'll get heavier now. What's it raining, huh? What the hell? Is this just raining? Really? No, bro, I'm not cooking out. No, bro.